Hi Petway Patriots, I'm missing you today. Today I'm going to read you a little bit more from our science book. Okay, we're going to learn about stars in the sky. So I'm going to zoom in and read to you about stars in the sky. Like the moon and the sun, some stars seem to move in the sky. You see some star groups in different places as time passes each night. So this right here is the Little Dipper. Yesterday we looked at the Big Dipper. Here's the Big Dipper. There's the Little Dipper. Notice that the shape is slightly different with where the handle is located. Okay, Big Dipper. Today, Little Dipper. The first star in the Little Dipper's tail is Polaris, or the North Star. So there it is right there. So just like how our sun is a star, the North Star has a special name called Polaris. A lot of times we just call it North Star though. It's on the tail of the Little Dipper. Now, we saw this yesterday when we looked at the Big Dipper, and we saw that the Big Dipper pointed to the North Star. So really, not only does the Big Dipper point to the North Star, but it also points to the tail of the Little Dipper, since it's all connected. And there it is. Just a reminder that these lines are not there, but it's just helping us be able to picture the Little Dipper better. Then we have the Little Dipper again, but as you notice, it looks different in each one. That's because the Polaris is like the center of a wheel. The Little Dipper appears to spin around it. The drawings show how the Little Dipper appears to make this circle every 24 hours. People cannot see the whole circle because the stars are not visible during the day. So just like we talked about daytime in class, how we usually don't see the moon, and we usually don't see the stars during the daytime because the sun is so bright it blocks out the light from the stars, the other stars. But here it is, and as you can see, it appears to move. And again, they use the word appears because, like we talked about before, the Earth is what is moving around. It's not the stars. So it appears to change its position in the sky because of how the Earth is constantly rotating around, just like the sun appears to change direction in the sky. So I hope you learned a little bit more about constellations today. Boys and girls, I hope you learned a little bit more about stars and how we see them in our sky. I'll talk to you tomorrow.